Hello, welcome once again. My name is Juan Perez. This is the channel that briefly looks at concepts in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Today, we'll briefly look at a term we probably hear almost all the time, but in relation to science: force. What is force? Force is a push or pull of one object on another. Whenever there is an interaction between two objects, there is a force upon each of the objects. Now let's look at the two categories of forces. They include contact forces and action at a distance forces. For contact forces, there are those type of forces that result when two interacting objects are perceived to be physically contacting each other. Examples of contact forces include frictional force, tension force, normal force, applied force, spring force, and so on and so forth. On the other hand, action at a distance forces are those types of forces that result even when the two interacting objects are not in physical contact with each other, yet are able to exert a push or pull despite their physical separation. Examples include gravitational force, electrical force, magnetic force. The type of forces. Now let's explain some of the type of forces. You see, the ball lying rest at the ground is stationary. Do you think there is any force acting on it? If your answer is no, or you don't know, well, let me tell you that yes, there are forces acting on the stationary ball. First, there is the gravitational force, which we stated as being an action at a distance force, trying to pull the ball towards the center of the earth. The ground is applying equal force in the opposite direction. This force is called normal force. And because these two are balanced, they don't change the position of the ball, meaning that the ball doesn't move. The net force, which is the sum of forces acting on the object or on the ball, is therefore zero. Now, for this ball or any object to move, the net force must be equal to zero, must not be equal to zero. That will be all for this section. I hope this video was beneficial in one way or another. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you are new here. If you love to see a video about your favorite science topic or more about forces, leave it in the comment section. Thank you and see you in the next. Bye.